Hello, I'm Grady. Thanks for tuning into the channel. We're gonna do another art piece today. This channel is for those who want different mediums, different styles. You probably won't see this style anywhere else because it's on wood. It's easy to paint on wood, and we're gonna show you how. So we're gonna do another owl, just the head. So stay tuned. All right, this is what we're gonna do today. I have this image set up on my new computer, so it's pretty great for me because usually I don't have this. Usually I have some small thing to look at, maybe my phone or I have a laptop, but it's really old and hard to get going. So anyway, new for me, the owl. All right. If you're new here, thanks for coming. I'm excited to get this thing going. I've got the my piece of wood here. Alder. It's really lovely wood. I've got my stencil, which is I always use stencils. Those of you who have seen my videos before know that. I have stripped all the parts that are black off. My work area is kind of a mess. I have to admit that freely. I mix my paints pretty wet. I don't like it globby. I'm just going to paint these areas that are black. I use stencil so I have a reference. So that when I peel this stencil off, there's going to be all these reference points that I can use to paint the rest of it. Without those reference points, there'd be this endless measuring, and it's a pain in the butt. It takes hours and hours to do all the measuring. That is why I use a stencil. That is why I use a projector. If you're not using a projector of some sort, you should. No reason not to. Unless you're like a savant of some kind where you can just look at a picture and draw it without, without any sort of measuring. That's there's people like that. Not me. You can use this technique on canvas. Everybody likes canvas. You can go do your canvas. That's great. I like wood because it's not canvas. I'm using the blue dollar store brush. These dollar store brushes are fantastic, by the way. You see how not weak it is? So like, let's look at a weak brush. This one I even cut the parts of the brush off I didn't like. It was a lot longer. And so I cut it off to make it stiffer. But weak brushes will be the death of you. So there's just no control. So like something like, I don't know, this pen striping brush. I don't know how you would ever control that. For me, it's just junk. I probably should just throw that away. Here, so here's a good example. The bristles on this are sort of weak. Well, the bristles on this are strong. See that springing action? I think it's because the bristles are not real. There's some sort of, these are some sort of, I don't know, made out of a plastic bottle or something. These little pieces here, I would normally I would peel that off and add that later. But I wanted another reference point, okay? So now I'm going to start stripping this and get my more reference points. It's amazing how much better these things come out when you can actually have a good reference picture that you can look at. Normally, I don't have a good reference picture I can look at. I mean, I have a fine reference picture. I just don't have anything to view it on that's good. Make any sense? I don't know. I'm using my computer, and that's better. My new computer. What is this? I didn't cut that. It's actually this that I wanted to take off of here. Yeah, that's good. Huh. There's just some of this action going on here too. I might have to get my favorite brush. Only I left it in the water. That's another thing. Don't buy wood handles. Wood handles, I cannot leave that in the water to soak overnight. This will all blow up and be a problem. Always get plastic handles. Something made out of a water bottle. See, that's not dry enough. All that wet, it's gross. Some more paint. Okay, let's speed this up a bit. So, just wait till you see what I found at the pond while doing this owl. You guys are not going to believe this. So this is how close we are to this owl. He must be a young one. Sorry, I'm trying to paddle and video at the same time. She's like 10 feet away from this thing. Hey, buddy. not too worried. That is so funny.
That's crazy. Let's just get this closed. He's beautiful, isn't he?
Yeah. That wildlife is
Did
so
you get a good picture of him? Just, I guess
not wild.
you can take a picture using the video, right?
All right. The only thing this needs is some yellow right here. And of course, white. That's right, white. You all know how I like white. White makes everything better. Yeah, sure does. Uh-oh. Don't get out of control with the white. And it's also important to put it on with your finger. If your favorite brush is not dry enough, probably shouldn't even use it. That's my favorite. So, need to put it in some of this. But to show you this, yeah, the real moneymaker is the eye. So I like to make these pupils bigger. For one, I like to make the eye bigger, on animals especially. But the pupil does not have to stay like it is. You can make it bigger. And I like to do that, especially someone like on an owl. This area in here is going to be real tough. Probably going to have to work it and rework it. The more you work it, the less good it'll be. Wow, it's kind of getting there. Okay, so I'm going to add some of this action because this line is a little too hard for me. And this is not quite sharp enough. Sandpaper. All right, thanks for watching my video. I hope that you are learning something about painting on wood. This came out pretty good. I'm kind of liking it. Anyway, like and subscribe. And comment below. Let me know what you want me to paint next. And see you on the next one.